Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Skyline, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so you will be able to recreate my steps and apply them to your browser. So as I said, open the browser. Here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on delete browsing data. Here we've got, I would say, some basic browsing data like the history, tabs, cookies, cache, and other site data. So you can change the time range to, for example, all time, and then tap on delete data. However, if you want to remove advanced browsing history, tap on more options, and here we've got the options which are connected with more deep data, I would say. So saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. We can change the time range again. So let me choose all time and then tap on delete data. And actually this is it. Of course, you can check it. Just enter three dots icon and tap on the history, and the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.